Did you know your birthday shows when you will be rich and when your peak will arrive? The moment you were born, a cosmic rhythm was set. It is the unique signature of your life's timing. Wealth is about alignment. Your birth date reveals the seasons of harvest in your journey. These cycles identify when your energy and opportunity reach their highest point. That is your peak. Wisdom lies in preparation. Building resilience during quiet years ensures you are ready for abundance. Nature has its seasons, and so does your prosperity. Your birthday acts as a map for these tides. Do not rush. Trust your timing, for the universe does not miss a beat in its design. Reflect on your path today. Your time is coming. Be still and be ready.